Welcome back to MnDOT's video series, which will guide you through the routing portion of MnDOT's online permitting system. In our first example, we'll review the basic auto-generated routing process. This operation is called Let System Create My Route. Please note, it's important that you enter the required information in the Vehicles tab and the Size and Weight tab before you begin routing. So let's get started. In this example, one of our routes begin at the Minnesota-Wisconsin border on I-94 and ends at the North Dakota border. You begin by clicking in the Route Start box. Next, use Lookup to select the beginning state highway. Select the desired highway and click OK. When using Let System Create My Route, it's generally unnecessary to adjust the direction. In this example, we'll leave it set to the default asterisk. Next, click in the Start Location box to the right. Again, use Lookup to select the location you are beginning from on the state highway. If a desired highway or location is not in the lookup, it means that it is not part of the state highway system. We will go through the scenarios to show you how to set the proximities for altering junctions in the next video, Adjusting Proximities. To end, click the Route End box. Again, use Lookup to select the ending highway and ending location. Notice that the border states and Canadian provinces are abbreviated in the lookup and begin with the word at. Now, generate the route to see the route status results and the route directions. You can select the Details button to see the total mileage for the generated route, the miles traveled on each roadway segment, and general route restrictions. If necessary, you can add notes with additional instructions for the permit office at any point during the routing process. Please note that submitting a failed or incomplete route may delay the permitting process. Once you've completed these steps, you are ready to click Submit. Let's review what we've learned. It's important not to switch your operation between auto-generated routing, which is Let System Create My Route, and custom routing, which is I Provide Route, at any point of the routing process. Doing so creates route errors and permit delays. Use the Lookup tool to select state highways and locations. Auto-generated routes are determined by considering the dimensions of the configuration, the gross vehicle weight and/or axle weights, temporary and permanent bridge and/or construction restrictions, and restricted roadways in the routing system. If the desired roadway location isn't in the lookup, the route or location is not part of the state highway system, and you will need to adjust the proximities. This ends the first routing example in this series. We encourage you to watch the next video to learn how to adjust proximities. Thank you for watching.